Okay, 57 tumble drying, in-store price £269, internet price 17% off. Calculate the internet price of this tumble dryer. So it's cheaper on the internet, and we, 17% cheaper, right? So it's 17% off, so we need to work out 17% of 269. Now, 17%, you could write it as 0.17, yeah? Okay, or some people prefer to write it as 17 over 100. Okay, your choice. Right, your choice, but that's what it is as a decimal, right? And because we know percentage is out of 100, if I did type that into my calculator, okay, like that, and press equals, and then press the SD button, it'll give it to me as a decimal, 0.17. Okay, now of means times 269, so let's work that out. And I get £45.73. Okay, now be careful because we're not quite done, are we? This is what it gets decreased by, right? Because it says 70% off. So basically, we need to take this as a discount, right? Take £45.73 away. Okay, that represents your discount. So to get the price of the tumble dryer, be £269, take away £45.73. And you get £223.27. Okay, part B. Branca has 2 cats. Each cat eats 1/3 of food in the morning and 1/3 of food in the evening. How many tins does she need to buy for 5 days? Okay. Well, let's just take 1 day to start with, right? Okay, just 1 day. 1/3 tin of food in the morning and 1/3 in the evening. So that's 1 cat, isn't it? 1 cat does this basically. Eats 1/3 in the morning, 1/3 in the evening. But she's got 2 cats, doesn't she? So we'd need to do this for the second cat as well. 1/3 in the morning, 1/3 in the evening. Now you could work that out in your head, right? And get 4/3, okay? Because you just add the top numbers then when the bottom numbers are the same. Or, I would check on here, right? Just to be sure, because you could easily make a mistake in the exam, right? You could easily do something silly like add the bottom numbers or something, and that's wrong. But just use your calculator just to make you feel a bit confident about it, all right? Okay. No shame in that, just to make sure you got it right. Okay, so add that. So you can see 1/3 in the morning, 1/3 in the evening for cat 1, 1/3 in the morning, 1/3 in the evening for cat 2. Add that, and as I said, you get 4/3. And that's for 1 day. Okay, so then if you think about it then, for 5 days, well, 4/3 then each day, isn't it? For 5 days. So you could do 4/3 times 5, or you could just type in 4/3. Okay, get my calculator right. You could just keep on typing 4/3 in if you wanted to. Okay, it's quicker obviously to do 4/3 times 5. And you get this 20/3, right? 20/3. Now, it's no good leaving like that, right? Because it says how many tins does she need to buy for 5 days? Well, she can't buy 20/3, right? It doesn't make sense. If you press the SD button, 6.6 and the dot on it, right? She needs to buy 6.6 tins, right? Now, can you buy 6.6 tins? Of course you can't. She needs more than 6 tins here, doesn't she? She needs 6 tins and then 0.6 of another tin, basically, okay? So, she's not quite going to use a whole tin. Okay, on top of these 6 tins. So 7 tins would be the best thing to do, isn't it? 7 tins. So she'll have a little bit left over from that 7th one, but that's the money she needs to buy. Okay, part C, Idris has been awarded a salary increase from 23,500 to 23,970 per annum. By what percentage has his salary increased? Okay, so to work out a percentage increase, you literally need to work out what the increase is, okay? What the difference is, okay? So what's his salary gone up by? So 23,970. Take away then the lower amount. You get £470. that's how much his salary's gone up by. Now to get the percentage increase, use this formula. You basically divide the difference, okay, how much it's gone up by the original. So you're comparing basically the increase by what he had to start with, and then of course you've got to times it by 100, haven't you, to get percentage. Okay, so difference is 470. The original was 23,500, and you times that by 100. So you get, let's get my calculator. You get this again. Oh, it comes out as 2. That's nice. So basically, that 470 is as a proportion of the original amount here is literally 2%. Okay, so that's his pay rise.